ubheke endlini uma ngiyahlala Sunday into mayisho uyenza i-spiritually umntwana kayesontwana akanandaba naye umntwana ahamba yadala akanandaba naye le nto ikhulisayo izubuya ishaye ebheke endlini akunamamoral babuza ukuthi bangeke abantwana namanje bangeke abantwana beni enibadedicatile enizemfundisi uJehova ubusise ngona ngumntwana nam ngicela umdedicate akhule endlini kaJehova. We don't do that anymore. Labantwana that's why abasalazi nesonto balazi kanjani isonto ngoba wena mama usaba isonto number 1 number 2 awudedicatanga labantwana number 3 you don't care ukuthi uJehova whether exist or not exist how many children did you dedicate? Wana wathi nakathola umntwana, you know what's the first thing that she did? Wathatha lo mntwana waya ku-altar ngathi ngiyambona guqa beka lo mntwana athi uNkulunkulu benginyumba wasibhala ningabana abantwana athi ngithatha lo mntwana ngimletha back kuwe. Guess what? Waba yini lo mntwana? Lo mntwana waba one of the best prophet in Israel. Igama lakhe kuSamuel, bekomprofeti kaDavida the king.